Okay, so first here are the colors that I'm going to be using. This is OPI and it's called Certainly Look Marvelous. And this is just black by Wet n Wild. And then this is Winter Wonderland by Orly. And then the red here is Ready to Wear Red by Milani. And then I'm also going to be using a daughter tool. This isn't the smallest one. This is probably like the second to the smallest. I'm going to be using this end here. But you can use a nail art brush if you're more comfortable with that. Alright, okay, so first you want to start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of the dark silver color from OPI. And then I'm going to let this dry for about 5 minutes before I move on to the next step. Alright, so next I'm taking the nail daughter, and then I just put some black nail polish on a piece of plastic. Alright, so we're actually going to be doing the, I don't know what they're called though, like little half C's for the leopard print. So you just want to do them in random spots. So I find it easier to use this type of tool to do. So you can see there's a half C right there. Now I'm actually going to make this one look like a V. And let's see. You don't want to press down too hard. Just in case your nail polish underneath is not dry. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to do another one right here. That. And just a little black spot there. Alright. So I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes and then we'll be back to do the next step. Okay, so next I'm using Winter Wonderland and I just placed that on a piece of plastic here. And I'm going to take the dotting tool once again. And now we're going to be filling in the dots. And since this color is lighter than the base, you might need to go back and do this part twice. Right now it looks okay. Alright, and I'm just going to put a little tiny bit right here on that black dot. Okay, so that's the next step. So I'm going to let that dry a couple of minutes and see if I need to do another coat of the white dots. And I'll be right back. Alright, so next I'm taking the red polish and we're going to be doing a French tip. So you can do this part with any color on the tip. Just want to make sure that's even. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to actually go back over the red one more time, because I can see on this side the colors that are underneath are peeking through. Alright, so here's the finished nail. I did have to go over the red a couple of times, just because the color, like I said, the colors underneath were peeking through. So of course you want to do a top coat to make this last longer. Alright, so if you have any questions, let me know.